summer wings. I don't know. All right, Yoshi. See, we're guys. We don't know this stuff.
That's true.
That's why we have to figure it out on the news.
Exactly.
So you're from the Humane Society of Utah, and you've brought a fox best friend with you.
I did. This is Riley. He's a 2-year-old Chihuahua mix, 17 pounds. You know, Riley is a transfer from Davis County. So from Davis County, he got transferred over to Utah Humane here in Salt Lake. And he's just the cutest little guy, full of energy, as you can see. He wants to run around versus sit in my arms. We were outside, and he was like, he saw that grass out on the hill and just took off.
Oh, he's a cutie. He looks like he's been taken care of. He looks well fed. I
Yes.
can figure out what the other part of him is if he's part Chihuahua.
I can't either. You know, Chihuahuas pure breeds will typically be a little under 10 pounds, with him being 17 pounds. I have to imagine he's probably close to full grown, being 2 years old, but he could get a little bigger.
Okay.
He's well fed.
He is definitely well fed. He can grow sideways too.
He's a big guy. So does he need a bunch of exercise right now?
You know, he does. He does. He needs to lose some of this weight, as well as he's just got a lot of energy that he needs to get out of his body. And so somebody who's into exercising, taking walks, this would be the perfect dog.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
He's 2 anyway. All right. So what's his adoption fee?
So it's $150, which includes the microchip, neutered, and vaccination shot. So fantastic deal for $150.
Yeah, I love it. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Here's all the information you need for Humane Society of Utah. You can get in touch with them at the number on the screen. It's 801-261-2919.